Alright, hey everybody. Why do I have a weird background? Well, it turns out today we have a really rainy day with lots of wind. But what will I have set up? My fan collection. You know me, I also have a fan collection. But what could I possibly have set up this time? Bam! A wheel lock speaker strobe. Follow the wire. Bam! 9153 and EST speaker. And I'm gonna be testing all these today. And if there's a lot of noise, I'm using this older iPod here on highest volume I can. There's a lot of noise because of the weather outside. It's really rainy and windy. It's terrible outside. So let's get started. Okay, let's get started. The strobe will not be activated.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? The signal you have just heard indicates...
Okay. Like I said, I'll try to get the stove activated. Remember, I'm not using a pull station for this. So.
May I have your attention, please?
You can see the stove flash.
The signal you have just heard indicates a report of a fire in this building. Please proceed to the nearest exit.
Okay, something like going wrong, huh?
Do not re-enter the building unless directed to do so by
Like that.
authorities.
So that was it for today. Thank you for watching.